Benefits of Lamium album. Anti-inflammatory properties. Lamium album contains flavonoids and other compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it potentially useful in the treatment of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Antioxidant properties. Lamium album is a rich source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. This may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Antimicrobial properties. Some studies have shown that Lamium album has antimicrobial properties, which may make it useful in the treatment of infections caused by bacteria and fungi. Respiratory health. Lamium album has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as coughs and bronchitis. It is thought to help reduce inflammation and soothe the throat. Digestive health. Lamium album has been used as a traditional remedy for digestive problems such as bloating and indigestion. It is thought to help stimulate the production of digestive juices and improve digestion. Menstrual cramps. Lamium album has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties are believed to be responsible for this benefit.